With FlowMapp, you can easily plan complex information architecture directly in your browser. All-in-one solution for planning user flows, creating sitemaps, prototypes, and combining all of them in one system. How does it work? Add a new project in a workspace and create a sitemap in it. Then, select a template most suitable for your project and launch building it from the start. Likewise, you can import the sitemap from your XML file. Create a visually clear, bird's-eye view structure. Add a new page or copy the one you already have. Use navigation menu to choose the best cover for your project or find the needed one using the search. Bored working alone? Invite your teammates or clients directly to the project. Build collaboration. Edit the content on each page. Create high-fidelity wireframes directly on sitemap in minutes. Select the template you need from the library provided. Edit the content. Change the text and other information. Link up the buttons with other pages in the project. Highlight the main points with colors. Add other necessary information to your page using headline, text, examples, references, and many more options. In order to do so, go to Menu panel in the left-hand corner of your screen and select the option you require. You can leave a comment on every block directly on the wireframe page. Review and consider the prototypes together with your team and clients on the wireframe page. Share with your clients the link to the prototype or to the entire project. With FlowMapp, it's easy to manage the project and store all the information in one room. The labels will assist you with planning the workload and perform the agile project management. Assign the labels on a sitemap page. Filter and review the sitemap cards by labels using navigational tool in the menu on the left. In this menu, you can also see the sitemap structure, as well as find the necessary sitemap card by searching. Store all necessary information and documents on the project in one place using the Notes tool. Create your tech documentation. Make a project description. Change the text format using the Notion-like editor. Attach briefs and other documents from the client or from your teammates. Plan world-best site in one place. Add FlowMapp in your toolkit.